Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Bilimbi Curry recipe which tastes like fish curry. It's a perfect vegan recipe for rice, those who likes fish curry recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut. Then add 6 shallots, half inch size ginger, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. In a pan, take 15 sliced bilimbis. Then add 3 green chili slips. Also add the grinded paste, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed powder to it. Wash the grinder jar with 1 cup of water and add to it. Also add 1.5 cup of water, so total 2.5 cups of water. Mix it well. Cook for 6 minutes on medium flame. After 6 minutes, add some curry leaves. Also add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Bilimbi curry recipe which tastes like fish curry is ready.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
It's a perfect vegan recipe for rice, those who likes fish curry recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.